Swift and S6 is about 0.5 of a second separate on.
You can see how the mid-engine performs well with the turns and everything.
I can't define it words.
But I started very late in my life.
Yeah.
Anyone, you or the spectator who is watching this video, can be a part of Race Wars India without doing any additional modifications to your car or without any additional prior experience.
So that's a pure pleasure to our eyes and ears. So we are here at Bhutan International Circuit and there is two events happening. One is the circuit racing of bikes and other is the twin track autocross event. We are here for the Race Wars 2021 season 2. That is the twin track autocross event. So let's find out which all cars have been here. So let's go. So basically Race Wars is an autocross event and here are almost 20 classes ranging from amateur stock, pro stock, modified, open unrestricted and special classes for if you are new to motorsports and you are likely that your car doesn't have any mods, no problem. You can also participate in this event. So the cars are classified according to the type of modification you have done and the engine capacity and a lot of parameters. So let's talk about the Race Wars event from the organizer himself and let's check it out what all are there.
So Race Wars is a twin track autocross.
Okay,
It runs on complete smooth tarmac surface.
okay.
Two cars take start together in parallel lanes.
Yeah, sure.
And it's the best format where any car without any additional modification can participate in a race like format without actually being on the same part of the track same time. So
how
it's
is the
very
ra-
exciting for the audiences.
Yeah, so how is the layout designed in the Race Wars season 2?
So layout design has been little tweaked for the season 2.
Okay,
Season 1 had a different character to it.
entirely.
It had more long sweeping corners.
Yeah,
The season 2 has more of a tight technical section,
yeah,
which is very dominant for the smaller cars,
okay.
and there are acceleration patches which helps the larger cars with bigger engines. So it's a very tricky combination. So you lose at some part of the track but you gain at the other. So end of the day you can see a Swift and S6 is about 0.5 of a second separate only. So we have been doing autocross events for a long time, and I wanted to introduce twin track tarmac autocross,
Yeah.
and without a crossover.
Okay,
So it's a pretty unique concept that we've gotten. I don't think anyone else thought about it.
yeah,
But end of the day, motorsport should be for everyone,
definitely.
and it will be for everyone when we have more people watching it and enjoying it. As you can see, a lot of spectators, a lot of enthusiasts, and it's a very simple format to enter in. Anyone, you or the spectator who is watching this video, can be a part of Race Wars India without doing any additional modifications to your car or without any additional prior experience. So it's a level playing field for amateurs, for the professionals, for stock car owners, for modified car owners. End of the day, we want to race each other on the track and not off the track.
It's pretty hot at PH today, but what's even more hotter are these cars over here. They have been modded according to the autocross specs, and there are supercars, many cars. There is even a Huracan over here.
Yeah, my name is Shamta Yadav.
Okay.
Yeah, I do this autocross and rallies also, TSD rallies.
Ma'am, to be honest, I need to ask a question. As a woman, what are the challenges you face while participating in this motorsports or any other events?
So see, I just feel that everything is in your mind.
Yeah, definitely.
If you are ready to take challenges,
Yeah.
so nothing. I mean, the sky is a limit. So it's everything in your mind. Women, men. So women need to break the barrier and come forward for this.
Definitely. Nowadays, many women are into motorsports, unlike earlier.
Yeah. I mean, I always wanted to be a race driver, but I started very late in my life after my all the responsibility and everything. So, but I mean, I think age is just a number. You can enter any time.
Definitely, ma'am. Your experience shows that age is just a number.
Yeah.
And have you been on the podium? Or?
Many time I was second runner-up in Autocross National Championship.
Okay.
I was second runner-up in 2018.
Yeah, hi. Race Wars is one of the most exciting events we do in the Delhi NCR area, organized by BND Motorsport.
Okay.
So it's always fun to come and see everyone here.
Yeah.
Every 2 months when they organize the event, and it's a lovely atmosphere.
So how
lots
was the
of-
layout?
The layout's great. I think it's very technical, and there are also lots of straight stretches that you can enjoy.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of the technical aspect as well as just raw speed.
Okay.
So it's really nice, fun to. This is a stock 718,
Okay.
and it's got a peelable wrap on it, and it's tuned. Stage 1 tuned.
Stage one, yeah, okay.
And so that's what it is, done by GT tuners
Okay.
and Stuttgart service.
Is it worth it to drive your 718 in this track?
Yeah,
on
it's
the cutoff?
it's a pure tarmac track. So you can see how the mid-engine performs well with the turns and everything, because there's less drag.
Yeah, sure.
And it's fun. It's very technical. I mean, when you're on the Formula One track, of course, it's a different experience altogether, which also BND does. So there's X Factor that also does that. So we look forward to that as well.
So
Yeah.
is it your first time on Race Wars, or you were there on the season 1?
No, I've done season 1 Race Wars. I wasn't there, but I've done BND events all the time. So I've been doing it for about a year and a half or so. So yeah, we always enjoy them. So we've been on this support paddock in different layouts many times.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah.
So let's see you on the track.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
I'm driving a 718 Boxster. This is actually my second autocross.
Okay.
The first one was like 6 months.
So have you been on the Race Wars season 1?
No, I was not on season 1.
So how was your experience with the Boxster on the track?
On the track, it is actually very good. It's like, I can't define it in words.
So which car was your
My
opponent?
opponent was a 718 Cayman.
Okay.
He was actually quicker than me.
Okay. So is this a stocker or something?
This
Performance?
is all stock.
Okay.
This is an
So
all stock 718.
which class were you?
I'm in
performance?
amateur.
Amateur.
stock.
Amateur
Yeah.
stock.
There's everything in this track. There's slalom, there are good corners, there's straight, there's everything what we look at.
So to be honest, with the supercar, the curves feels a little bit different, no?
They're actually
It's
the
a mid-
same. It's just that there's a different kind of rush we get because we have more power
Yeah, sure.
under our foot. So
Yes, definitely.
actually good because you can pull out more energy on the track.
and he was not really using it. So I thought this is a good car, so I asked him, does he want to sell it?
Yeah.
He's like, no, you keep it. I'm like, okay, I'll buy it. So I bought it off him, and I had a plan that I need a powerful engine for sliding, so
Okay.
he's got a LSD suspension, angle kit, basic stuff. He's got HKS suspension, triple plate clutch, chase base, wheelboard, hydraulic handbrake with a dual caliper, Dynalite, wheelboard setup. Steering angle kit by Jap Speed. It's a 2JZ GTE.
Okay. So to be honest, what are his power figures? Currently, what is?
I've never put it on a dyno.
Okay.
But with these mods, what I read on the forums, they say it should be around 500-ish. But this has never been on a dyno. So with those same mods, could be, could not be. But yeah, but it does the job. I really don't care about the numbers.
Yeah.
It does what it needs to do. So.
Hope you all enjoyed this video of Race for Season 2. In the previous season, we were not able to provide some relevant information, so we tried to provide a lot of information in this video. So hope you all liked it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video till here, don't forget to hit that like button and share this to all your friends and family. So until then, goodbye.